'94 Ford Ranger. Couple of lights on it. See the two stock ones on the left and right, and a 4-inch amber in the middle. Down here on the side I have a double-faced turn signal and marker light LED pedestals. The stock ones in the back. And here in my toolbox I got two 4-inch lights LED. You can probably see my CB there going through the back window. And you see the glow from the side lights. There's my other side light. A red light inside. Cobra 29 Classic radio. 233,000 miles on this Ranger.
Heritage for the Blind accepts cars, vans, trucks, and boats, whether they run or not. Donate your vehicle and you'll receive a free 3-day vacation voucher to over 50 locations. Call 1-800-895-8035.
See how bright that thing is?
1-800-895-8035.
And you can kind of see my Wilson antenna.